Hey ladies, I'm Anna and I'm going to show you how to do a look step by step. So this is Bare Skincare Face. Okay, I'm going to show you how I use our concealers. So I'm going to use our green concealer to cover up some of these red spots that I have. Because green cancels out red. Kind of dot it there. I'm almost out of this green concealer. I've been using the same green concealer for 2 years. So if that tells you anything. Now this looks crazy, but trust the process. I have dark areas right in here. Sometimes I use the white for this, but I can also use the green. But this is from where my PCOS and my facial hair drove me crazy. Okay, so that is my redness areas. And okay, now I'm going to use the white concealer under my eyes. And I'm going to do a triangle all the way down, because when you brighten up your eyes, you want to bring it all the way down so that it doesn't just brighten right here. You want to brighten the whole area. All right, then I'm going to use a little bit of white right here and right here. And these are like my highlighting areas. So we're going to highlight these areas. Okay. Then I'm going to take a little touch of deep concealer and put it on each side of my nose. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and here. These are your contour areas, if you're a contourer. We'll contour here, contour here. Trust the process, I promise. And then put some here. All right, this is my conceal and contour face. All right, now we're gonna cover all of this up with foundation. So I'm gonna do a half a pump on that side and a half a pump on this side and a little bit in these inner areas. Okay, then I'm gonna take a flat stipple brush and just start dotting. And you see how that concealer just disappeared. And you're just gonna pat it on. All of these products have skincare in them, so you want to push them into those pores so they can do their job. It also helps to protect your skin from the sun and all of that. Okay, there is that. And then I'm going to take another brush and just smooth it out. And see, you never know, you never even see the highlighting and contouring and all of that. There is my foundation face. Okay, I've done our foundation. Now I'm going to do our brand new medium powder just to kind of top it off and finish the look. It gives us just that glow of a look. Plus, I love our powder because I can get oily during the day sometimes, especially right here in my T-zone. So this powder helps to absorb the oil. All right, now I'm going to do a simple eye look and my blush, okay? So with my blush, I take just a dot and put it on the back of my hand. And then I dot, 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 and dot, dot, dot. And then I use my blush brush and blend. And this is the chocolate cherry. So see how that little bit gave me just enough color. All right, then I'm going to do just a basic shadow look. So this is the Sandstone Pearl. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand as well. And I'm going to start right under my brow and come down. Okay, so that kind of highlights underneath your brow. All right, then I'm going to take the Candy Cocoa Shimmer. And this is going to be a lid color. I'm going to just pat it on. Okay, and then to bring it all together, I'm going to take the Rose Gold Glitter. Also apply it to the back of my hand. This one is going to go in the crease to kind of bring both of those colors together. Okay, then I'm going to take the blending brush and then just kind of pat it to blend everything together. Okay, so that's just a basic look that anybody can do with the colors. And just to make a little bit extra color, I'm going to take, where I put the chocolate cherry, I'm going to take a little bit of the Rose Gold Glitter Shadow Sense and kind of go over the top of it just to give my cheeks a touch of shimmer. Okay, next I'm going to do eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the navy and the gold today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up here, and I'm going to go right on my waterline on top. And you might poke yourself in the eye. Right, so right on top of my waterline. And do my eyeliner. You do want to be careful with this because you don't want to pull on your eyes too much. So I'm just very gently lifting. And then it goes on that smoothly. Got a little bit right on top. Okay, then I'm going to take and dust right on the lash line. Okay, now on the bottom, I'm going to do the navy just in the corner because that helps to brighten up your eyes. You don't want eyeliner too much on the inside. But then I'm going to use the gold on the inside to help brighten. See how that brightened? See that? Okay, next is lash primer. So what does that do? That helps to lengthen, separate, and prep your lashes for your mascara. And it also has capixels and lash growth. So over time, the lash primer and mascara will grow your lashes over time. I can't tell you how much mine have grown, but you could so see my before and after pictures and tell that before SeneGence, I basically had no eyelashes, even with mascara on. And then now, they're incredible. Absolutely love the lash growth in these products. All right, so there's my lash primer. All right, now that lash primer is drying, we're gonna clean off our lips and let them dry, and then we're gonna do lip sense. So you're gonna clean your lips off really well, and you're going to dry them off, and then you're gonna shake your lip sense color. Okay. Then one layer. Layer one. Layer two. Layer three, and we're gonna let that dry. And then I'm gonna do one layer of non-waterproof mascara. And yes, you saw me pull my mascara out of my bra because it helps to warm it up, and it goes on so much smoother. Okay, that is non-waterproof. A little bit more. And waterproof. All right, now my lip sense is dry, so I can put my gloss on. Voila, I'm done.